The state of Missouri is suing to stop the people of Missouri from voting on congressional maps. Yesterday, Missouri's newly appointed Attorney General Catherine Hanaway filed a lawsuit asking a federal court to prevent Missourians from collecting signatures and voting on a referendum to overturn what many lawyers, including me, are calling unconstitutionally drawn congressional maps passed by our state legislature. Missourians have the referendum power to overturn laws passed by our legislature in Jefferson City. That's a power granted to us by our state's constitution. After the legislature passes a law, Missourians have a short time frame to collect many signatures from across the state and then put the issue up to a vote of the people. Our Attorney General, instead of representing the people's interests, is representing the state government, claiming that while Missourians can overturn other laws, we can't overturn this law designating the borders of congressional districts. The lawsuit cites the opinions of many current United States Supreme Court justices, including many dissenting opinions and even a law review article, and appears to be designed to end up in front of them, potentially to request that the Supreme Court do away with any method that takes redistricting decisions out of the hands of state legislatures to any degree. These methods already exist in different states across the country, like independent commissions that make these decisions about borders instead of giving those decisions to politicians. So this lawsuit could have wide-ranging effects throughout the country. The Attorney General claims that Missouri's Constitution must clearly state that Missourians have referendum power when it comes to drawing congressional lines. It's not enough for the referendum authority to exist. We need more words in our state constitution, apparently. But interestingly enough, Missouri's referendum already has more words in that provision. The referendum power is not absolute in our state. Our state constitution already includes several exceptions where the people cannot overturn the laws passed by the state legislature. Congressional redistricting, however, is not one of those exclusions. So what do you think? Do you think that the people of Missouri should have the right to vote on these maps? Who should our Attorney General, who's normally elected by the people, but in recent history has been appointed a lot because folks just move on to different jobs apparently, but who should our Attorney General be representing when there is a conflict between the legislature and Missourians? Let us know what you think in the comments. I'll do a deeper dive on the law in this case, but until then, you can check out one of my previous videos on how Missouri's efforts to redraw congressional maps to eliminate a Democratic-leaning seat in Kansas City are unconstitutional. Not so surprisingly, the Attorney General didn't have much to say about that.